308, let's go. We've added the 2 remaining lookup tables to our front-to-back rendering loop section. That is within the top level lookup tables section of our file. So we have the generic I21 to lateral span, so 0 to 20 to the lateral offset, and then 0 to 20 to the diagonal offset. So this is needed to access the data for the combination of layer and tile size exponent. We're also going to check our work. So we have this check tables section. We're going to loop through all I21 values, 0 to 20 inclusive. And we're going to fetch the tile size exponent. And then we're going to derive the lateral span and diagonal offset using our fancy bit-packed formula for the expected lateral and diagonal offsets. Then we're going to use the lookup table for the gotten values, and then we cross-check the expected with the gotten and the expected with the gotten. So this is the check for the lateral, the check for the diagonal. In the fragment shader options or optimizations, we've turned off optimization 1 because this lookup table now exists and we want to compile it and see what happens. In shader 7, within the main function, here is that branch where we are now using these lookup tables and nothing is going wrong. In our preprocessor, we need to add these 2 lookup tables to the array of lookup tables here, to the lookup table of names that we're going to use in the GPU. So we're going to use the same names on the GPU as the CPU. And then the lookup table of tokens for the injection site tokens. And then we need to increase the max index to 12 because there's now 13 entries in our 3 lookup tables here, in our triple pair, I guess. You could call it a triple pair. I don't know what to call it. So down here's what we did previously. Here's a whole bunch of our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You have been here. You've been on video number 309. Like, subscribe.